Hello and welcome to this video, short introduction video on our BioS project. The BioS project is co-funded by the European Union in the Erasmus Plus program, and BioS stands for Digital Skills on Computational Biology. Laura, tell us a bit about this project.
Well, with the BioS project, we enhance the skills, digital skills of medical personnel through the design and the delivery of a new vocational curricula on computational biology. So in this course, we teach skills in bioinformatics, computational statistics, the interpretation and the usage of genetic studies and the counseling.
All right, but why is that so important? Why is bioinformatics so important for healthcare professionals like doctors?
Well, it is very important, especially through the new technological advancement, especially in bioscience. And we see that there's a skill gap. So, medical personnel does not have these skills. And with the BioS training course, we are filling this skills gap.
All right, and this is a VOOC training course, so a virtual online course.
Yes.
Right? And I understand there are 13 partners in 8 different European countries. This is quite a lot to handle. How can we contact you in case we are interested in the project and in participating in the VOOC?
Well, first of all, through our website, so please visit. And we're also represented in social media like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And also, you can always contact us via email. We're looking forward to it.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.